I just wanted to tell you that you started this. Every time that we're talking, we're speaking, you're doing something unnecessary. I thought it was me who started everything to be complicated every time that we're doing this kind of conversation. Maayos eh, maganda yung flow. I just remember, nag-joke lang ako sa'yo na bills are coming out, and then you said, that's okay. Okay lang yan, it's part of it, ganyan. Okay na yun eh. And I throw joke na, tao dito na, pautang nga. Alam mo naman na nagjo-joke ako at hindi ko naman talaga, at wala naman talaga, di ba? Sabi kong ganyan. So, you know it on yourself na never naman akong humingi or kahit na ano. It's just a joke, di ba? Sabi mo, sige, if you can pay my debts as well, parang gano'n. Tapos, and then, yung pinagasolina natin, doon na nag-start, di ba? Yung pinagasolina natin noong nakaraan, hindi pa nga yun bayad eh. At hindi pa ako nakapagpagasolina kasi nga, di ba? Nag-stay ka pa. Tapos yun na, you started it na okay na sana eh, yung hanggang ano na lang ako, hanggang Sunday. Ako hanggang Sunday na lang ako, yung sabi mo. Para magawa mo pa yung mga regular routine. Nagigets ko yung point, diba? Nagigets ko yung point na ganito, ganyan. Pero yung ang tagal-tagal mong pinapaulit-ulit sa akin na I'm causing you or I am the one who caused you something, kaya ganito, delay or anything. Alam mo, nung isang araw ka pa, sa totoo lang, simula pa noong umpisa, ngayon ko nare-realize na every time that we're talking, di ba, at the end of the day, at the end of the conversation, or hindi pa nag-e-end yung conversation, it is always na you're blaming me to something that it should be your act and not mine, di ba? Eh ano kung nagstay ako, kung nag-extend ako na nandoon ako, eh ano kung, sumama yung pakiramdam ko eh, di ba? Eh ano ngayon, 'di ba? Nagstay ako kung ano. At saka minsan na minsan lang tayo nagkita. Ikaw, you really don't appreciate that kasi nga hindi mo naman nararamdaman ko ano yung nararamdaman ko. Ikaw kasi pupunta ka dito, you're just staying here for 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, that's maximum, tapos uuwi ka na. 'Di ba? As if something really came up, kaya nung Sabado, nung may isang Sabado ka lang na napunta dito na hindi ko alam, at I investigated na wala kang pasok before ka nagpunta rito nung Sabado, diba? Sabi ko, sige, maliligaw na naman tayo eh. In other words, ba't palagi mo kong sinisisi? Tapos palagi mo, narcissist ka. Tanggapin mo sa sarili mo, ikaw yung narcissist sa atin, hindi ako. 'Di ba? You're always blaming me to something na dapat nagawan mo ng solusyon, 'di ba? Pagka-uwi ko, pagkahatid mo sa akin, hindi sana nagpagas ka right away. Sisisihin mo ko kung hindi ka nakapagpagas. Ba't ano bang ginawa mo diyan, putang ina ka? 'Di ba? Ba't ako lagi mong sisisihin sa mga bagay na mga hindi mo nagawa? Kailan ka pa eh? O wala ako dyan, di ba? Nakakapag-decide ka. Kaya mo mag-commit, di ba? Like, oh, you can do anything naman eh, kahit nung nandiyan ako, di ba? You can do pagre-referee or anything, di ba? Nandiyan ka, hindi kita pinakikialaman eh. Sobrang bare minimum nga yung hinihingi ko. It's just a simple update, a text message. I never ask you even before or beg you for money, diba? I never ask you to provide me something, diba? Never. I never ask you anything. Bakit ganun? Why you always keep on blaming me for something na hindi ko kasalanan? Lahat na lang ba gusto mo kasalanan ko? Ako ba talaga yung naghahanap ng sisi? Or ikaw lang dahil mahina ka? Naghahanap ka ng damay, naghahanap ka ng masisisi sa mga bagay na hindi mo nagagawa. Look at me. I failed. I stand up. I'm still trying to do things. I'm still trying to fix things. Everything. I do have a lot of responsibilities. I do have my mom. I pay rent. I pay bills on my own. I do have my daughter. I pay tuition fees. I pay daily baon. Everything that you're doing right now, diba? Tignan mo nga, why aren't you just adore me or try to isipin mo na hangaan mo man lang ako na magaling to or magaling ka. It's just a pat on my shoulder lang, diba, that you're doing well, diba? And hindi mo ba nare-realize yun? And sometimes what I only need is your hug, your understanding, your care for me, diba? Your kind words. I never demanded you anything kasi hindi mo responsibilidad. But the thing is, we're live-in partners. We did live together, diba? We're considered as couple, diba? It's our responsibility, it's our duty to understand each other, to support each other. Ako, I'm not demanding or I'm not dumadating lang talaga sa point na ganito, nasan ka? Tapos sasabihan mo ko ng ano pa ba yung sinabi mo kanina? Pag may time naman really? Kapag ka may extra time ka lang, yun mo lang ako tatawagan? Talaga ba? Listen to yourself. Listen. Okay? Listen to what you're saying. Listen to what you're talking. Diba? Isipin mo yan. Isipin mo lahat ng mga bagay na yan. Makinig ka rin naman sa iba. Hindi ka superior dito. Diba? You're crushing na. If you think that I am not learning from you, why don't you try to learn from me? Or why don't you try to take a look at what is happening to me? Ko alam, if you're treating me as a burden, then sige, ibibigay ko sa'yo yan. You will never understand me kasi you are so self-centered. Yun yung pinakamasakit sa lahat dun Ako, I'm trying to see things, see the beauty in it. In every words that you're saying, in every harsh words that you're saying, I'm trying to do things, trying to understand things, and trying to appreciate it on my own, diba? Kahit na ang pangit na mga words na mga pinagsasabi mo, diba? Namimili ako, pinipili ko kung ano yung mga gusto mong sabihin. Sana maintindihan mo din, diba? Hindi ka superior dito, diba? Hindi ka perfecto. Hindi puro ikaw lagi tama. Matuto kang makinig para umasenso ka, para umasenso tayo, para gumaan ang buhay natin. Matuto ka ring makinig, hindi ikaw magaling. Kasi kung magaling ka, hindi mo ko susumbatan. Kasi kung magaling ka, hindi tayo ganito. At kung magaling ka, hindi ka magpapa-apekto.